Hey guys, I'm Soham. I'm here to share you my experience of hair transplant which I just got almost a year ago. As you can see, I had a good result, but just to give you my previous history, so I was facing severe hair loss for more than 2 or 3 years back. So my crown region, and I was facing a typical male pattern baldness, and because of which there were a lot of things. I was having low confidence and everything within myself, and one of my uncles he suggested me to come down here to at Clinic International and to speak with Dr. Bhavesh to explore the option of hair transplant and everything. So once after I got here and had a good word with Dr. Bhavesh, so he explained me the things in and out of how the entire process is gonna work, and what are the possibilities and the expected results which I should be expecting out of it. And yeah, so I went for it and everything. So I had it through two sessions of hair transplant, and afterwards it continued with 2 sessions of PRP. And yes, it's almost been a year and 2 months now. So since I got the treatment done, I'm really happy with the results which I have gotten out of it. It's actually exceeded more than what my expectations were. And the biggest achievement out of it was yeah, you definitely get good looks and everything, but it actually helped me boost my confidence a lot, getting together with people and etc. So I would highly suggest, so if anyone is looking for this option, so I would highly recommend you to come down and check out your options, and have a word with Dr. Bhavesh and team at Clinic International. And yeah, I would say please try it out. Thank you.